Hello and welcome to my channel, where we walk around beautiful places, mostly English gardens or natural spots. Today we are continuing our video about what's going on Wisley Garden in the second half of November. This magnificent garden is huge. It covers around 240 acres. Last time we visited the glass house, the winter walk avenue and several other corners of the garden where you could still find many flowers. But full-on winter preparation have already begun. And the second half of November, the garden center shop already has a large variety of Christmas goods available and of course lots of Christmas tree decorations. I'll just quickly remind you what I showed in previous video, but you can always watch it to see the garden in all its November glory. And today, as promised, I'll show you what is already on sale in the garden center, things you could buy as a gift for a passionate gardener or simply to treat yourself. I completely forgot to mention what we visit, a greenhouse with alpine plants. This place never would disappointed you. In the greenhouse, the installation of Christmas decoration is in the process. The winter walk avenue is always beautiful. The garden is almost ready for the night lights show. And volunteers. Yeah, it will be fun. And now shopping. Hey, hey! It's not just pretty, it's also warm. It looks pretty and sunny outside, but the wind was really, really cold. Everything is quite expensive, but also very pretty and sweet. What to do? Not to buy a lot, but buy something what you really, really like.
It's quite big size. Are you looking for somebody?
Not for you.
Well,
That's a surprise.
right. Very, very sweet, yeah.
Oh, this is. Reminds me.
Me and you.
And that one I'm going to get from my old pots. That is entirely You don't actually fit it, it's got people that comes out.
I noticed it, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Just on the shelf.
Oh.
Where did you find it? Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you.
There's no nutcrackers here, are there? They seem to be out of food.
That was my favorite. I like it very much. So sweet. It's made me smile. Anyway, this sweetie cost $13.50.
Yeah, definitely mistletoe. This is sweetie. How much? £10. Quite a lot.
But I think a dog lovers would appreciate it. I still have some. I have my designer book half empty. But it's very nice and pretty. You also could find quite pretty handmade jewelry here. Yes. Is it cotton?
Bamboo.
Oh, it's even better.
Is it?
Yeah.
65 bamboo, 25 cotton,
Yeah.
25. No, something missing. Oh, 10%.
And this is sleeping, I guess, socks.
Yeah, it's nice. Very festive. If you're
It is, yeah. Doggy as well, and pheasants are pretty too. I like sausage dogs.
no, I don't like it. It's not done. Like 3%.
Still, you could recognize. Yes, it's
Yeah,
more Scandinavian, yeah.
very thick. Panettone. Ooh, pear and chocolate.
Oh, it's interesting. Would you like it? What are you looking for? For the price? 16, yeah. It's quite expensive for this amount.
Yeah.
What is the weight?
300 milligrams.
300, yeah, it is expensive. But this kind you could buy in TK Maxx in full size. I've seen it.
This is not the cheapest place for shopping, but here you can find very original things and really good quality, something you won't regret. We didn't buy anything this time, but we found 3 items what we will definitely get in our next visit as gifts for friends. I hope you enjoyed this little shopping tour. Please support the channel with your thumb up, leave a comment about what you liked, and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. That's all for today. I wish you all the very best and see you again soon. Goodbye.